Okay, so are you familiar with the Rubik's Cube?
I am, yes.
You are, fantastic. Can anyone solve one? Can you solve it?
I've never been able to do it.
Never been able to. Well, don't worry, it's not out of it either, okay? But when you get a really good magician, you can normally take the cube right behind the back, and within a few seconds, the cube comes back completely solved, okay? But I'm not a very good magician, okay?
Okay.
So we're going to try something completely different. Are you okay to take the cube for me?
Yeah.
And I'll get a pen, and I want you to write your initials on the little white square. Right, that one there.
That one there, yeah.
That's perfect.
Okay. B.
That's fantastic, thank you. So when you get a really good magician, you'll have seen some TV before, but we'll only shake the cube, okay, from side to side, and within just about maybe 4 seconds, the cube complete solves, okay? But like I was saying, I'm not a very good magician, okay? So do you want to see a card trick instead?
Yeah.
Yeah. In fact, I want to see a miracle.
Oh, a miracle, yeah.
Okay, well don't get your hopes up, so you kind of get what you pay for, okay? So I'll just give the cards a bit of a shuffle, and I'm going to riffle down the pack, and I want you to call stop on any card you want, okay?
You want me to shout stop?
Yeah, just call stop wherever you want.
Stop.
Right about there?
Yeah.
Okay, take the cards, have a look. Okay, keep that card in the camera as well, so we all know what card you picked. Whenever you're ready, just drop the cards on the right. Okay, can you do me a massive favour? Can you roll the dice in your head, pick a number between 1 and 6, and tell me what number you go for?
5.
5, okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to deal down 5 cards into your hand. Can you hold them like a table for me? Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5th card. Can you turn that card over for me? Is that the card you picked?
No.
Are you even serious?
It's not.
You're joking me, really?
Yeah.
Can you hold on to them for me for 1 second? Is that alright? Because I said I was going to show you miracles inside, and the miracle isn't the card trick, okay? I want it, it's just over here, just 1 second. Okay? So inside my wallet, I've got a photograph. Okay, so the miracle I was talking about is actually my daughter.
Okay.
And if you look really close, she's holding your playing card, the 4 hearts. Which is pretty weird, isn't it? Really weird.
How's she holding my card?
It's cool, isn't it?
That is cool.
The stranger thing is though, the card that you picked has completely vanished from the pack. You've been holding it the whole time.
Yeah.
And it isn't in there, okay? You can look if you want.
Okay.
It's,
I believe you.
you believe me.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay? So the thing I forgot to mention to you, my daughter, she's a radical monster for chocolate. She absolutely loves chocolate, okay?
Okay.
Give me a massive favour, can you open that wrapper for me?
Yeah.
Is that alright?
Cool.
Okay, is there anything inside the wrapper at all?
Nope.
No? Right, we're going to have to go 1 step further. Can you break the bar in half for me? Is that alright? It's weird, isn't it? Really weird. Just 1 second, I've got is that the card you did?
So we're putting it out?
Yeah.
I've got too much chocolate in my hands. Yes, it is! It is the card I picked. It's the 4 of hearts.
So we're just going to go back to the very beginning as well, okay? We've got a red bag here, okay? And inside the bag we've got a glass jar. And it's got a cube inside here, okay? The cube's completely solved. The strange thing is it's got your initials on it.
How did you do that?
It's magic. There you go, you can have a look.
That's mine. Oh wow, look at that. Cool. Oh wow. Anybody want some crunchy?
You enjoy it?
Thank you.
You're welcome.